for bed. C for car. D for dogs. E for exercise. F for family. G for girl. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jacket. K for kids. L for lady light. M for mango. N for necklace. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rain. S for shoes. T for television.